ChengLi Special Automobile Factory, which is a company with more than 1,000 workers and has been established for more than 20 years. It's a big manufacturer producing all kinds of trucks. Flatbed record truck is mainly used for road folk vehicles, urban illegal vehicles, and emergency rescue. This may involve recovering a vehicle damaged in an accident, returning one to a drivable surface in a mishap or bad weather, or towing or transporting one via flatbed to a repair shop or other location. This truck's core part is the engine. This truck uses the HOWO engine and has a horsepower of 160. It has low fuel consumption and the emission standard is Euro 2. At the same time, it uses a 5-speed gearbox with a reverse gear to meet the general road driving need. The boom adopts two sections of hexagon type so that its strength and stability are much better than the previous quadrilateral structure. The most obvious feature of this truck is the ability to clean 2 faults or accidents at a time, especially for night faulty vehicles. There are many different brands for choices. We accept the customizing service. If you have any needs, please contact us.